So over here, you can see that I have a document, and if I were to go ahead and type in something like, let's say, for example, in multiple pages, I have one document. But let's say you have related documents that you want to keep together in the same link. So I'm just going to go around over here and type this, like rename this file as sample. So you can see that I have one document right here. So with Google Docs, what you can do is you can maintain document tabs as well. So over here on the left hand side, you can click on tab, and here is the first document tab. So whatever you type right here gets stored in this particular tab right here. So if I were to go ahead and double click, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, this is research right here. You can create a fresh new document within this single document file by clicking on the plus button, and it creates a new tab right here. So let's say, for example, this is meeting minutes right here. You can go ahead and select it, click on meeting notes right here, just like this, or you can go ahead and then add in other things as you like right here. So I'm just going to add in some details right here, and you can go ahead and press the plus button right here. And let's say this is going to be an email draft. So I'm just going to go around and say email. So within a single document file, you can see that you can maintain out multiple documents right here, just like this, by using document tabs. And that is how you can utilize document tabs inside of Google Docs. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe